Hi everyone. Today in this video I'm going to talk about how hydraulic steering cylinder is working. So before that one, I need to thank you for everyone to subscribe my video. Last night just I hit the 1,000 subscriber, and I start this channel to help somebody that to understand some of things about the technical things about the motorboat engine and machinery system. And however, I need to thank you for all that giving me support for by subscribing and by viewing my video and watching my video, and thank you for all for give me support. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain you this how this C-star hydraulic cylinder is working. So if you're working in the boat, that sometimes you have to understand how this one is working. This video will be two parts. First part I will explain you how this one is working, giving you a roughly idea how hydraulic cylinder is working. So here I have two hydraulic cylinder, and those both are almost same, or just only different sizes. So here I have also one sketch that I made myself, and I'm going to take this one and explain you how this hydraulic cylinder is working. If you see this one, you can see this is the hydraulic cylinder here. Okay, this is the hydraulic cylinder over here, and this one you can see this is the piston rod. So here you can see there's a piston, that the piston is separate this hydraulic cylinder. This is just a hollow shaped pipe, which means this one just a hollow shaped pipe. So inside there's a cavity, so that cavity is the one filled with the hydraulic oil. So this cylinder is just a hollow shaped pipe, and this piston is separate the cylinder by two parts, which mean two two cavity. So you can see here I am going to show you, this is the piston rod, and over here inside there's a piston with the seal, and this is cylinder cap. So first of all I'm going to remove this one, then I will show you actual piston, then with my sketch, then I hope it will easy to understand. So to removing this one, you need a special tool like this, or like a pin spanner like that you can buy that one in the hardware shop. So in my this video I only show you how this one is working, giving you roughly idea. Then my next video I will explain you what kind of issue you usually normally you get with your cylinder. Okay, this is the okay this is the piston rod, piston shaft. You can see this one is piston, so this one is the one that I mentioned, I draw here. You can see this nylon seal. That nylon seal is preventing the seal, the oil to not transferring to this each side. So this nylon seal, you can see here, this one is nylon seal. Okay, this is the piston rod, and you can see here, then this is the hydraulic cylinder. So this hydraulic cylinder, if you see inside, this is like a just hollow shaped cylinder, and you can see this elbow connector for the hydraulic hose bulbs to connect the hydraulic hose. So this one here, this is for bleeding purpose, bleeding nut. So I'm going to explain you how this one is working. Usually when you turn your steering wheel, what happened, there's a hydraulic oil pump behind the steering wheel. What that pump is doing, that pump is push the oil from one side to other side. For example, in this example you can see, when I turn this steering this side, what happened, that oil from this side is sucking by this pump, then those oil is pushing to this area through this connector. So what happens when the oil is pressurized inside here, it's caused to push this piston to that way, which means like this. So when you turn your steering, what happens, this piston is slowly start to move this side. So this one, you can see this one is moving this side. If you see the actual in the boat how the installation is, this shaft is fixed to the engine mount, so which means the shaft is not moving. What happened, this cylinder part is start to moving because this one is connected to the engine, so engine can pivot like this. So this one start to move because this shaft is fixed to the engine mount, so it's not moving. Therefore just only this cylinder is start moving. So if you I only explain you how to understand just what happened then when you push the oil here. So supposed to be this piston is moving, but this piston is not moving because this cylinder is fixed to the boat engine mount. Then what happened, this cylinder is moving to this side because this area oil capacity, oil level become high and pressure become high. So this cylinder inside there's a pressure, so this cylinder is moving to this side. So this cylinder is connected to the engine engine housing, so engine can pivot like this. So what happened, while when this cylinder is moving this side, so engine is moving like this. So that how normally the steering system is working. So same thing happen when you turn the opposite side. So this side is become suction, they take the oil from here, they push through this pump to this area. So what happened, the cylinder is moving to other side. So that is how normally hydraulic cylinder is working. So here supposed to be full of oil, that's why we need bleeding nut. So complete this, there should not be the air inside, so there must be full of the hydraulic oil. That is what we use for this bleeding nut to bleed the inside cylinder. So one more time again, then when you turn the cylinder behind this pump is working, then they suck the oil from this side and they push this oil to other side. So this oil is like a complete circuit. There's no just complete circuit, which means there's no should not be like leaking or something, because if there's a leaking, what happened, the steering is not working properly, that oil is leaking from somewhere, they not give the pressure inside. It means like completely enclosed circuit, oil circuit here. So that's how hydraulic cylinder is working. And then my next video I will explain you what is the most common causes, the most common problem that you will get with this hydraulic cylinder, and how you fix that one, and what is the important thing that you need to you need to care about this your hydraulic cylinder. In this video, I hope you get an idea. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video and stay with me, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.